class. So this is use of the extend keyword. By using the extend keyword, we can our code reusability we can achieve. We take one of the example of the extend keyword to briefly understand. We create developer1 class. In developer1 class, we create two method, addition method, and second one we create the subtraction method. Then we also create the another class, developer2 class. In developer2 class, we also create two method. First one we create the multiplication method, and second one we create the division method. So the third one we create the main method. In main method we create the developer1 object and developer2 object. So there is two object required for the execution of the addition, multiplication, division and subtraction. So we can only by using the one class we can achieve the four method by using the extend keyword. So how can we achieve the four method? Then developer2 class is extend the developer1 class. So all the method of the developer1 class, addition and subtraction, that can be extended in our developer2 class. So all the method of the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, that four method can be available in a developer2 class. So this is use of our extend keyword. Extend keyword is all the method acquired from our one class. So our first one, developer1 is our parent class and developer2 is our child class. So this is our developer1 is a parent class and developer2 is our child class. Why it is a child class? Because it acquires all the properties of the parent class. So next one we see the what is mean by the method overriding. We see this example is that we create a developer1 class. In that developer1 class we create addition and subtraction method. In developer2 class we also create the addition method and we create the multiplication method. So developer1 and developer2 class has contain the same method, addition method. So what will be happen in if we extend the developer1 class to the developer2 class, then there is one method is same, is addition method is same. So at the execution time, the JVM and compiler execute only one addition method. So it will gives authority, it will gives preference to the child class to execute our addition method by using the child class. So our child class addition method can be execute at the main method. So this is we call the method overriding. In method overriding, in that example we there is only one method is execute by two class. Then addition and multiplication, that method can be execute. So in a inheritance, the most important extend keyword is mostly used, and then method overriding can be possible in also the inheritance. So in this video we see the what is meant by the inheritance, the types of the inheritance, the example of the inheritance, the code reusability of the inheritance. Then we see the real-time example of the inheritance. Then we see the what is meant by the child class, what is meant by the subclass. So this is then we also see the extend keyword use. So this is all about the inheritance. Thank you.